All right, you guys, I'm getting y'all ready to go with us on this epic road trip here.
We're going down the road.
Just kidding.
Going right down the road.
Just kidding. We're going on an epic weekend road trip right down the road. Just thought we'd take y'all with us. So we got the camper ready. Or we're getting it, yeah. Should be about ready.
Close.
We can afford an epic road trip. We're just gonna only do those little weekend getaways to the nearest campground. That's where we're going.
Blinker.
Let's see if we're blinking. We're blinking. Yep, that one's good too. Pay attention to our busted up driveway, y'all. I swear we're gonna fix that one day. Oh goodness. Might have to edit all that out. Don't, God almighty, I'm gonna beat him when he does that. Okay, everyone, we're off to our little weekend getaway.
Yep.
We're a little late getting here, but we still have some daylight to set up. Of course, it decided it wanted to storm the weekend. We decided to go camping, so this might be a flop, but it's okay. We already had it booked, so we're going to try and enjoy it. It being so late, we only have to check in at the gate because the rangers have already left. And I believe we're on site 22.
17, it says. I know what all the other stuff she got on
Okay, I guess we're on camping 17. Campsite
there.
17.
Oh, right. Yeah.
Could be. I think it's a truck brake or the camper brakes.
Camper brakes.
Could be. How far you want to come over? Yeah, I think our slide out's going to clear it. Yeah, get the level out before we... Alright guys, we made it to our destination. This is Allison Creek Campground.
I think this actually moves down this way.
A little bit, I think so.
I want to back up a little bit.
Okay. Alright, you're good. Nope. Back up. Alright. You're on it, you're good. good?
Way more level.
Looks better?
I like it. You like it?
I like it. Alright, let us unpack. And then we will show you around when we're done. Actually, I might can just set the tripod down. Okay, so before we got this camper, we had a pop-up, which was way easier to pull and back up and move around. But it was a pain in the butt to set up. So after a few camping trips in that thing, he was ready to buy a camper. So that's when we got this one. So glad he was ready. Alright, you guys, I want to show you these things he made to keep us from bouncing all over the place, especially when we had 5 teenagers in here. You can buy these little stabilizers, or you can make them with some 2x4 and some little hooks that he put on there and some straps. And it works amazing if your camper bounces around, somebody rolls over at night or gets up to go to the bathroom. That little thing works amazing. He's just got 2x4, some hooks, and of course some straps.
And you want to twist it so it doesn't make noise with the wind.
And you want to twist it because it's hell of a windy. I don't know if y'all can see how windy it is, but it's really windy today. So
If not, it'll make noise.
we don't want her to flap around in the wind, so he said twist it. So yeah, with these teenagers, we have to take our weekend road trips for a little seclusion, a little relaxation away from all these kids. They're not that bad. It's almost back to school time, so they're at home and antsy. So let us finish setting up. Oh yeah, so he just pulls them real tight and it keeps it from wobbling, bouncing around when you're inside. It's actually pretty cool. He said you can buy them or you can make them. I think we saw them online. How much were they online? About 60, 80 bucks?
Yeah, but
Between 60 and 80, $120.
yeah, but for $10.
But for $10, you could just make them yourself.
And there's videos to show you how to do it.
How about all that time I didn't have my mic on? So they might have heard something, not much. All right, so I'm gonna go inside so he can turn the water on and make sure we don't have any leaks, because sometimes between traveling, your pipes can shift or get loose, or you can have a leak here and there, and you don't want that. Just want to be inside when he has the water on. Yeah, I think so. Not seeing nothing. Air is on, refrigerator's on. All we gotta do is stack down in here and this part's ready. I'll take the TV down. Okay, now let's see. We'll step outside. I'm not gonna put the awning down right now because it's so windy. Ah, the geese are flying over. I don't know if y'all can hear them. What's next, hon? Alright, everyone, we got most of everything set up inside. I got my little coffee bar set up. Coffee ready for in the morning. I'm gonna go finish setting up outside. Of course, we have our chairs. Of course, we forgot our table, so we have to go back by the house tomorrow, so we'll grab it then. Super cute out here tonight. I'm gonna try and start us a little fire.
Show my Chinese fire starter.
Your little Chinese fire starters. Put the canopy out just a little bit because it's so windy. I might put it out. Well, I'll probably put it back in before we go to bed. I guess we don't need it out now that the sun's going down. Of course, my tablecloth that is super cute does not fit these extra long picnic tables. And we left our rug at home. And our table. Okay, this is his Chinese fire starters, y'all. He loves these little things.
Yes.
Keep them on hand. If you want to start a fire quickly.
They're like $10. And I used to use all kind of different stuff.
10, 11 bucks for I think 110.
110 pieces.
Yeah.
And I used to use the cedar, and I'd split the cedar and then build a little mini fire and then let it grow. And now, just drop a few of these in between two logs, about 5, and watch her go. For $10, that's a lot of fires.
Now just waiting on him to find a lighter. Should be in the drawer. Really nice out here, y'all. Oh, look at the moon. Let's see if I can find the moon. Look at the moon. It's so pretty. That's what I like about this kiss. Usually, maybe not when the camera's on, I can zoom into the craters of the moon. I don't know if it'll let me with the video on. It will not let me with video on, but I'll show y'all later.
On these Chinese.
All right, let's do these Chinese fire starters.
You don't necessarily need a purple lighter.
You need a purple lighter, y'all.
You don't necessarily need a purple lighter, but I guess it does.
Just so y'all know.
And that will make the perfect fire.
It's the purple lighter is what it is. So we're not far from the lake. The lake is literally right through these woods on the other side of us. Got you, I got you.
So if you lock across it now, and it will go, trust me. Beautiful.
All right. This is our little campsite for the weekend. Head back to the house and get our rug and our table tomorrow. We gotta meet the kids tomorrow anyway. Got 2 of them coming in from out of town. The little campground. Not very many sites here. I'm loving this little van camper. And we've already been looking at this micro light over here. We'll be walking around looking at the campers later because we already decided we want something bigger. It's perfect. I love the size, but if we're going to be doing any type of over the road, I want 2 axles. I don't want 1 axle. It just pulls so much better. Oh, look at this fire. So having to cook our burgers on the grill because someone, I ain't gonna say no names, didn't bring the cord to my hot plate. Which is fine, it's fine. We improvise, and now we're cooking on the fire. But his fire is going really good. Okay, burgers are off the grill. They came out pretty good. A little quick dinner tonight, because we literally just got off work and decided to pack up and come out here. We had it booked, but we were going to wait and come tomorrow because we're off tomorrow. Then we went and booked tonight and came out here tonight, since it's going to rain tomorrow. So not too bad, not too bad. And look at my mess. We're going to clean this up.